Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply for a personal loan using the Bright app. Whether you need funds for an emergency, a big purchase, or just to consolidate debt, Bright makes the process simple and secure. Let's get started. First, open the Bright app and log into your account using your credentials. And then, from the main dashboard, scroll down or navigate to the Loans section. It might also appear under Financing, depending of course on your app layouts. Tap Apply for a loan. Next, enter the amount that you want to borrow. Bright usually has preset ranges, so you can just choose the one that fits your needs. Now, select your loan purpose. For example, if it's home improvement, or it could be medical expenses or credit card consolidation, just go ahead and select the appropriate one. And you're going to be asked to review and confirm your personal and financial details. So make sure that your income and employment information is accurate, as this affects your approval chances. Once everything looks good, tap Submit Application. Bright will process your request. This may take a few minutes. In some cases, it could take up to 24 hours. If approved, you're going to see a loan offer with the interest rate, the terms, and repayment plan. Tap Accept Loan to finalize it. Funds are usually deposited directly into your Bright account or linked bank accounts within 1 to 2 business days. And that's how you apply for a personal loan with Bright. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more easy to follow Bright app tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.